Good morning. Oh, I was trying to get that out of your way. This morning, I actually think I want to turn off the fan. Hello. I'm in Ella's room. Hold on. Okay. I'm in Ella's room this morning. If you watched my last vlog, you might not remember that I mentioned today would be media day. I've tried to schedule myself throughout the week where it allows myself one day that my kids aren't here, that I'm able to go on like site and stuff and film reels and take pictures and film TikToks and stuff. Pretty much use the entire day just based on media. And then like once I do that, once I'm home, use time to edit vlogs, even do a live stream. We bought like paint and stuff to do canvases on a live stream on TikTok. I've been trying to do those once a week. The bottom line is I'm just trying to be consistent, and I feel like if I have at least 1 week that I can dedicate to working on projects, that'll definitely help me. So with my vlogs, I've been trying to get better at showing you guys like behind the scenes, because I'll go and edit my vlogs and realize that I don't have a lot of footage, and I always kick myself for it. YouTube was my first platform and my biggest platform, and I have so many of you guys who have been here since the beginning, and I feel like I'm neglecting you a little bit when I am struggling to put a vlog together with good content. So what I'm doing currently, I like filming in Ella's room just because her setup's just a little easier to work with. My room is still being worked on, but I'm using, she has these sheer curtains, and I film at her desk that's underneath her loft bed. So I'm actually using the little hooks that we already have on here to try to strategically place them so it's creating a little backdrop for me when I'm filming my TikToks. So that's all I'm doing right now. I don't think, this side's a little loose, but I don't think it's honestly even gonna show. Let me just, so I have to crouch down to get in here. But, so obviously you can still kind of see behind there, but I think because the video is gonna be like, we're doing a transition, we're doing 2 transition videos today. It'll be kind of like focused here, so I don't really even think you'll, even if you see back here, I mean, it's just a little girl's room, so it's not a big deal. I'm going to be posting the TikToks that I get done, but the audio will have to be skewed for YouTube. But I am doing one by Nostalgia right here, this one, because I always like to tag like who I found the idea from. And then we're also doing this one from Mocha Povs, POVS. I don't know how to say that, but both of these ladies had posted these videos in the last week, and I'm trying to not only be consistent but like stay on top of trends. I still want to be creative and post my own sort of content as well. See, that's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, but for YouTube, I film in landscape. For TikTok and Instagram, you typically film in portrait mode. So again, because I'm kind of focused over here, I don't really think this is gonna matter. And if it does, I'll fix it, but I'm being lazy. Okay, I finished my first part of my first TikTok. I'm gonna do another transition video. For this one, however, I want, like, it's the I unalived my ex trend on TikTok, but I want like police lights, so I'm gonna try to use my Mac I have here. It's like police lights flashing effect. And then I'm gonna try to make myself cry, like literally cry, and there's almost a surefire to do this. It's kind of a sad story, but like my dad, my biological father, who unfortunately I don't have a relationship with, his song that he had dedicated to me was Butterfly Kisses. So like literally already feel myself choking up. So every time I hear that song, I cry. I don't feel like crying, but for this, I'll try. So like, let me put you guys here. This isn't exactly where my phone will be when I'm filming this TikTok. But I just want to see if I full screen it. I think the light is just too bright. Oh, you can kind of see it. Oh, okay. Oops. Well, definitely, but like you need also. Well, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it with like different settings of the light and see. I'm just gonna have to play with it, and you guys are on the phone that I need to film this TikTok with, so get off. I'm kidding. But yeah, this is too bright, so we're definitely gonna have to bring it down. Like I can start to see the lights there. All right, let me set up my camera, get myself crying, film this TikTok so I can put my makeup on. And I have one more TikTok in mind. It's more of a silly one, but honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna pull it off, so we might save it for next week. I swear, y'all, if one of those videos does not go viral, okay. Did you just hear my stomach embarrass the ever-living? Oh my gosh, these are real tears. Anyway, I promise I'm fine. I wanted the TikTok to have more of a realistic approach to it. But yeah, no, I mean, I don't think the light showed up like a ton, but I did my best. Let me go and actually put myself together now. Take this hair out. It kind of fell out throughout the night. I don't know what this curl is gonna look like. It might actually, because my extensions are like too long for the roller thing. Okay. Yeah, it's a little tangly down here, so I'm just gonna kind of recurl it for now and let it sit while I do my makeup. Oh, my nose is raw. I so have a cold, so making myself cry when I'm not feeling well. All for the sake of entertainment. Like, I kind of want to just keep the glam simple. I think I need to invest in like a peach lipstick. I can never find something that's like that shade. It's so gorgeous, but it's just a simple cut crease kind of look. It's all matte except for her lips, which obviously there's a lip gloss, but maybe just something like that so it's still wearable all day, but it's definitely an upgrade from this. So we're twins. I decided to dive into this palette I've had for a while. It's from ColourPop. It's their Plush Like Me collection. I used this color and this color in my crease. And then from the Amrezi palette, I used Wasted as a base. And then I also used a little bit of the blush palette that I showed you guys. I went into this shade of blush, which I'll probably use on my cheeks too to tie in the eyes and the face. It is called Unlimited from NARS. It's an old palette. I don't even know if they sell this palette anymore, but maybe they sell that blush color specifically. Okay, I have something I think I like. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Before I ruin my makeup. Here's a better look. I'm waiting for the lips to dry because I think I'm gonna go with a different color. I have no idea what happened to this MAC lipstick. It's destroyed. I don't know if like my kids got into it, but either way, it's a really pretty color. I need a tissue. Oh, I got something in my eye. I'm going to take, it's still a little stained, but I'm going to take the Milani lip liner in All Natural number 4. It almost doesn't like show up. It's so light, but just to give definition to the shape of my lips. And then my finger was working, but I was just dabbing it on. Wait a second. This color is so pretty. I was gonna show you guys like natural lighting from the window, but it's kind of hard to see. Okay, I like this. We need to take out this hair, and it should be pretty much done. Like I said, this part fell out, but it's fine. It'll still work. I did curl my hair with a curling iron yesterday. And then for the photo shoot, but then I wrapped it up. And I do have a longer one. I should have used my longer one last night, but I just had the smaller one next to my bed. So I used this one to wrap up my hair, but it should be pretty much done. I just got to tease it, comb it out a little bit. And then if any curls are funny looking, like sometimes the curls in the front of my hair don't really frame my face very well. So we will see how they come out today. And of course, this is a little frizzy, but oh, they're a little stuck. Okay. Okay, my hair is still so dark. Oh, I can't believe I dyed my hair that dark. Man, it's okay. I mean, it doesn't look horrible. I was just hoping it would be like a lighter honey brown than. Hair's a little fluffed and teased. And we are ready to go. Oh, I forgot to change. All right, I finished my TikToks. I'm not going to be wearing this today. But I'll show you guys that the audio is scrambled. But I'm like, oh! At the beginning got a little bit messed up, but you know what? It's okay. So I'm just gonna. And then I turn into this. Oh, I can't believe I just videotaped that. Ooh, it's really cute. I'm xoxo Slay on TikTok as well. So again, I'm trying to post at least one TikTok a week at minimum. Ignore the drywall. That's to finally finish my hallway, and I promise once my hallway is done, I'll show you guys. We've just been on hiatus. I've been organizing the clothes that we found. I don't know if it was in last vlog or just earlier in this vlog at this point, but this is what I decided to wear. So it is still cold out, and this phone is gonna die, it's telling me. But I'm gonna try to film or take a couple photos in this dress, and that's why I'm wearing this fuzzy jacket. I'll remove it for a couple photos, but I'm hoping it'll keep me as warm as possible for as long as possible. I have just gold shoes. You'll see better once we're out.
Oh, I know.
Oh, my pancake.
I know, very fine.
Here, you won't get the pancake. I have just a pink pocketbook to bring out the pink.
It's for me. I'm gonna.
And that's for you. Okay. I am freezing my butt off. And we weren't even gonna film at the mall. I was trying to cut through this way, and I just decided to drive by and see what we could find. I think we got some good shots. But we're gonna go over to the location that we initially planned. I just need to warm up a little bit. So this is the area that we were talking about. So we parked here where we figured it's kind of a good spot in the middle of a bunch of different stuff. So we have like some water over on this side. We have this brick building here, which actually has a couple different shades of bricks we can use as a backdrop. They even have a really cute little dining area over there with a fountain.
Take two.
I can't see myself. It's fine.
You sure?
Can you see me in the little screen?
Let me see. Where is she? There she is. I got you. You're live. All right. Let's go again. Hands on the wall. One. Two. Yeah. Let's do one. Hands on the wall, kind of like give me like a power stance. Do it. No, just give me like that. Just, don't worry about anybody else.
Yeah, but they look good.
Yes. Beautiful. Gorgeous. That was good. That was really good.
I don't know.
Give me something like hand up behind the head or behind the hair. Yep, that's good. That's it right there. Beautiful. And I'm going to get one more close up. Hold on. Just hit that and it goes back. Okay, perfect. Do something. Yeah, it's fine. Do something where you're just like brushing your hair. Like, yeah, that was actually really cute. Right there. That was pretty. And then just one of you. That was good. Nothing awkward, nothing.
Now, I wanted to film a reel or something for Instagram, and I found a cute little spot. But there's people. That's always the problem.
Come back. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, Mama's calling it a little bit early just because it's so windy. And I mean, it's still early in the year, so it's still supposed to be really cold in this area. We're just kind of getting a little bit of a warm spell. So we just took advantage because we wouldn't have the kids today to go take some pictures because it was nice out. But I was telling him, I'm like, those two like brick backdrops, like I gotta do photos over there. So I think, like, especially during the spring, summer, even winter time, screw it, come over here. This little space is really cute. It's not too many parking spots or anything. So we're gonna go try grab something to eat though, and then I gotta get home because I have class tonight and it's all about marketing products. So I'm using Coca-Cola. Yeah. Coca-Cola. It's delicious and refreshing. And I'm gonna have to say that about 50,000 different times tonight in like different ways. Coca-Cola, delicious and refreshing. Coca-Cola. And so all sorts of different ways. That's what class tonight is about. I'm probably gonna switch back to my regular vlogging camera just so I can see what this footage looks like. But if we love it, then I'm keeping it. Or if I don't, I'm just gonna throw it away in the garbage. That's the shit that you gotta know.
I know.
I have nowhere to put you.
You're passing Taco Bell.
I'm not, but we are cracking up. So I was just talking about tonight, I have the class and I have to do product marketing. So I was gonna do Coca-Cola. So we're trying to come up with like a quick short phrase, right? So we're cracking up going through stuff.
So I'm going through the slogans of Coca-Cola here from 1886. 1886 is drink Coca-Cola. 1904 is delicious and refreshing. 1905 is Coca-Cola reviews and sustains. 1906, the great national temperance beverage. So, maybe you should go with that one. 1917, 3 million a day. How does that describe Coca-Cola? I have no idea. 1922, thirst knows no season.
I'm doing the 3 million a
Is
day.
that it? 3 million a day.
Do it.
And just shove the fucking bottle in there. Sorry, I said you. 1923 is enjoy thirst. Why would you enjoy thirst? I like the point of thirst is to quench it.
Oh my god.
And 1924 is refresh yourself. I
think we're gonna go with what's on the bottle. Delicious and refreshing.
Yeah.
But I had to share some of these with you.
That's hysterical. The national temperance beverage. That's the one that gets me. I love that.
And we are going into Taco Bell dressed this way. 100%. And my back seat is an absolute disaster. I don't even know if you can see it from here. Don't look back there if you can.
Children.
We're purging. We're doing dump runs. It's been a mess this past week. Let's go get my burrito.